why is his big head blocking it?
Metaphorically? Absolutely not. If the king of Sweden can't be a medal, what if we ask one of my friends?
You can also probably tighten it.
I can't tighten the chest part.
Dude. Oh, fix that again. Back up. Try to fix your thing. Really. I've kind of found something. Alright, Duke, does it stand the test of Duke? Not really. It kind of worked. We tried. Alright, Duke, can I take Duke footage? I don't know if you can tell that there's a camera on the back. Only put it on the Duke can never come with the camera. Why not? Hi, baby. The suction cup kind of works.
Has to be on a flat surface.
Yeah, I know. The table worked. Oh, the Duke worked. I'm just kidding.
That's a good view of Teddy's butthole right there.
He's recording. Dude's like, I like this video.
Now it's a good view of Teddy's junk.
Okay, now it's focusing. I just should go behind it. I guess the camera kind of restricted him or something. You try it. Thor didn't do anything good?
We didn't have Thor wasn't here when you.
Yeah, no, but still.
No.
This over. Oh, yeah, it's stuck. Well, it's stuck. It had. So, oh, it moved back. What are you doing? I mean, at least he doesn't really seem to care about us doing chest strap on him, right? No one does. Duke's doing what he does, right? Man, rap Teddy. Man, rap Teddy. Teddy likes to wear rocks every day to wear. He likes to piss in our house, on the couch and on my socks. I don't think he really likes knowing man raps. He just tolerates it because Teddy tolerates man raps. dress he has to wear in the house. Because he can't control himself. My name's Ted.
No, I did like Instagram or TikTok post about it. My name's Ted, and I have to wear a man wrap because I can't control myself
Because I like to pee.
in the house and on my brothers.
And my dog. Really?
What other things did you say in that video?
Pees on the deck furniture, couches,
Other dogs.
other dogs, the bushes, the garden beds. He's destroying the trees outside. He destroyed an azalea bush with his disgusting pee-pees.
He has radiation.
What? He's radioactive Ted.
Come on. Stop.
Are you ass bombing?
I know he's trying to. Right, Duke? I don't think we should take the camera off. Still recording.
Yeah, you can take it off.
Yeah, I don't know. Duke, you're gonna have to hold still for a second. Hold still. Hold still. Don't. Hold still. Hold still. Hold still. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. No, stay. Hold still. Hold still. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Almost over. Almost over. It's almost over. Come on. Come on. Hold still. Hold still. Hold still. Hold still, bud. Come on. Good boy. Sit down. Tiny, really. The last few seconds of the video, we're just on a picture of Teddy's schnoz.